Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhumika Merkan. So, in this video, we are going to do chapter 12 quadrilaterals. So, let's start with the chapter. Before starting it, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So, after reading the heading quadrilaterals, what is the first question that comes in your mind? Obviously, you will ask that what is a quadrilateral. So, the figure made up of the four segments is called the quadrilateral. Abbreviation quad. जो फिगर फोर सेगमेंट से बनी होती है उसे क्वाड्रिलेटरल बोलते हैं. क्वाड मीन्स फोर. So this is a quadrilateral. It has four segments. As you could see, क्वाड्रिलेटरल की शॉर्ट फॉर्म यानी कि उसकी एब्रीविएशन क्वाड है. सो लेट्स मूव टू इट्स साइड्स. सो इसकी साइड्स क्या हैं? ए बी, बी सी, सी डी एंड ए डी. ये इसकी साइड्स हैं. नेक्स्ट एंगल्स कौन से हैं? एंगल बी ए डी. Next, angle ADC, and next is angle DCB, and the last one is angle CBA. These are the four angles, four sides. Now come to diagonals. What are the two diagonals? So the two diagonals are AB, AC and DB. So this is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. And from here this is a diagonal as we have written AC and DB. It's not right, yeah? Let's write it again. AC. I hope you may understand. So, now come to the next topic, adjacent sides. तो इसके adjacent sides कौन सी हैं? AB is adjacent to BC, BC adjacent to AB. So next is opposite sides. What are the opposite sides? AB opposite to DC, BC opposite to AD. These are the two opposite sides. Next is adjacent angles. Angle BAD is adjacent to angle BAD. Angle ADB is adjacent to angle DCB, and angle DCB is adjacent to angle CBA. So these were the adjacent angles. And what are the opposite angles? So ABC is opposite to ADC. These two are opposite angles. BAD is opposite to BCD. And these are two. Also, we are having four opposite angles as same as that. Because in this we are also having four and this also. So let's move to the next page. So, angle sum property of a quadrilateral is our next topic. The sum of angles of a quad is 360 degree always. जो quadrilateral का sum रहेगा वो हमेशा 360 degree ही रहेगा. For example, for proof, the quad is divided into two triangles as given here. We have divided it into two. Sum of angles of each triangle is always 180 degree, right? Sum of angles of two triangles, that is 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. So the sum of these two triangles would be 360 degree as the sum of a quadrilateral. Clear? So we have proved it. So interior and exterior angles of a quad is our next topic. So angle 1, 2, 3, 4, these are interior angles, and angle X, Y, Z, T. These are exterior angles of a quadrilateral. एक्सटीरियर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? ये इंटीरियर एंगल है और ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है. अब अगर हमें इनमें से किसी एक को फाइंड आउट करना है तो उसके लिए हम लीनियर पेयर की प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ करेंगे, क्योंकि सम ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल 360 एज ऑलवेज हमें पता ही है, लेकिन लीनियर पेयर की प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ होगी एक्सटीरियर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी के लिए. सो लेट्स डू वन एग्जांपल फॉर दिस. सो लेट इट बी द एग्जांपल. ये 70 डिग्री हमारा इंटीरियर एंगल होगा और ये x हमारा एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा. अगर हमने x फाइंड आउट करना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे? सो आई एम डूइंग दैट. x प्लस 70 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. लीनियर पेयर. ओके, x is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is equal to 110 degree. So we have solved it. So in this way you have to find out the exterior angle sum property. So let's move to the next page. So in this page we are having Phillips. So here I am giving you 4 Phillips that you have to solve. So I think you may take the screenshot of this page. Let's wait. So friends, these are the 4 Phillips that I have given. You could take the screenshot of this as well as you could solve it. See, a figure made up of 4 line segments, no 3 of which are dash, is called a quadrilateral. What is the answer? Find out. The answer is collinear, right? A quad has dash pairs of adjacent angles. How many pairs does it have? It has 4 pairs of adjacent angles. One angle of a concave quad is dash 180 degree. Answer is greater than 180 degree. In quad, PQRS, PR and QS are known as its dash. What is the answer? The answer is diagonals. So I hope you may understand it. These are the answers of these 4 Phillips. So guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos and the notification of my latest videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe and like it.